This heater is absolutely amazing. I had a lot of those little small heaters. I believe they're probably far less efficient than this thing is. This thing feels so efficient. The air coming out of it is so, it's so warm, and it projects out so far, but yet it's also still very, very quiet. It's just amazing. You have sleep functions, you got oscillation, you got temperature settings, you got all of the different ways that you can end up running this thing through. Like, you can turn the sound off. So now I got the sound off or on. Then I can turn the sound off. Now I can adjust the temperature so it doesn't. By the way, I'm using the remote control, which is also awesome. I can move through the different functions, have it just be the fan, or I can have it on heat in the various heat settings, or I can set it for a specific. Sorry, all right, I got all excited. I can set it for a specific temperature there. It's actually just a really, really beautiful and nice fan. I mean, look at that. It's so quiet too. It's just, I don't know if you can even hear it. I doubt you can even hear it. I mean, I can hear it, but there's a fan in there blowing, which is remarkable to me. This is by far my favorite heater. And by the way, I own literally like probably 10 heaters or more. I live in Montana. It's cold. So yeah, this is the best of all of them, hands down. And it looks the coolest. So I'll just sit in that corner by the TV, not ever pointing at the TV. Probably should move it a little bit so it doesn't go towards the wood there. But overall, it is just a phenomenal product that looks absolutely stunning and is very, very amazing in its ability to produce a great amount of heat. So I'm just absolutely impressed. I can't think of anything that I don't like about it. It also, of course, has tip safety features and everything else like all the fans do now. So I'll turn off that oscillation feature. Let's turn it a little bit here. I think once it gets past 45 degrees, it turns off, which is nice because a lot of them, if there's not a thing on the bottom, then they'll turn off. Well, that makes it so you can't put it on the carpet. Well, this thing, I'm pretty sure it's 45 degrees. So let's see, let's give it a little test. Yeah, see, it's not touching the ground there at all. So if you've got a softer floor instead of a hardwood floor like me, this is the answer, because a lot of those heaters just won't stay on with that softer floor surface. So absolutely love this heater, and I do give it a full, I mean, if I could give it 6 stars, I would, but it's definitely getting a full 5-star rating from me. Thank you.
So I'm looking at the Dreo PTC fan heater Solar 718. This is a very nice state-of-the-art heater. It has a very nice remote that it came with. It has a power button, plus and minus for the heating, and then rotation, timing schedule, options menu, and also a volume rocker. So it looks very cool at every angle, every aspect of it. And it actually just starts heating up right away. It's very quiet for the most part. It's got cool LED layout. And you can set it to the temperature that you want it to. And as you can hear, it's activating and becoming stronger based on how hot or cold I'm making it. And then you can even adjust the width that is rotating or not rotate at all. So you can go down to 0 degrees so it doesn't rotate, or you can go 30, 60, 90, or even 120 degree rotation. So that's just really awesome that it can do all that. And then it will like set the temperature, and you can actually turn it off where it's not going to run the heat anymore, but just run the cooling fan if you just want to blow air. So it's very versatile, and you can actually change the fan speed settings, F1, F2, F3, and heat level settings. If it's just not hot enough, you just turn it up, turn it down. I love this thing.
Okay, so this is what I was talking about. Okay, watch. As you can see, it's connected right there with this other Dreo heater. Look at this tower house. Look. You see that? It turns off, turn on by itself, turn off. You see, it's not working. Let me turn it on again. You hear the sound? It actually smells like smoke. Yeah, and it's not getting, it's just barely warm. You see that? Look. See that? It comes on and goes back off. See that? So I don't know what's wrong.